Feel like you're falling behind because of trauma or mental illness? You're not alone. Here's what you need to hear. 1. Everyone says, we're all on different timelines. But it's hard to believe when your feed shows friends finding love, traveling, buying homes, and you're just trying to survive. 2. You didn't fall behind. You were surviving. While others explored who they were, you were protecting yourself from pain you didn't ask for. That's not failure. That's resilience. 3. Trauma freezes time. You grew up too soon and still feel stuck in the past. Your inner child didn't get to live freely. But they're still there, waiting. 4. Stop comparing your path to others. They had safe spaces. You had survival mode. That alone makes your journey valid and powerful. 5. It's never too late to begin again. You can find love at any age. Go back to school at any age. Heal and thrive at any age. You are not behind. You're rebuilding. Healing starts by letting go of comparison. Look at how far you've come, not how far you think you should be. Live life for the inner child who never got the chance. You're right on time.